Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your device and OS so you grab the right menu quickly. Open Settings, then Accessibility. On Android, look for Display or Visibility Enhancements. On iPhone, open Accessibility, right arrow Display and Text Size. Once there, locate Color Inversion on Android or Smart Invert on iPhone. Tap the option to reveal the toggle and immediate preview. You're taking the first actionable step now, so don't stop at detection. Turn the setting on to see how the app colors change in real time. Once done enabling the basic invert, make sure to configure behavior per app. On Android, open Accessibility, right arrow Accessibility menu or shortcut to assign a quick toggle. On iPhone, add Smart Invert to Accessibility shortcut or back tap. If available, adjust color filters, contrast, or invert exceptions so game UI elements still render clearly. Now launch Pou or your target app and test critical screens. You want buttons, text, and character sprites legible. If something looks off, change filter intensity or revert per app exception. Complete the process by refining settings until visuals feel natural. Adjust brightness, contrast, and color filter strength. Make sure text remains readable and sprites are not inverted incorrectly. If Pou or the app shows artifacts, force stop and clear cache, or reinstall the app to refresh resources. If accessibility toggles stop responding, reboot the device and verify system updates. One key troubleshooting tip: disable and re-enable the accessibility shortcut. This often restores correct invert behavior without deeper resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.